In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate Hindi audio in NotebookLM. So the first thing you have to do, of course, inside your notebook, you want to add some sources here. So you can add in whatever you want, some data. It's completely up to you. And then go to settings at the top right and click on that. And then you want to click on output language. And then here you can see you can choose your language override. Now click on that. And here you want to scroll down and find Hindi. Now because I can't actually speak Hindi, I'm going to right click this and do translate to English. So everything is now in English, and you can just scroll through, and then Hindi should be somewhere on the list over here. There we go. As you can see, Hindi, and if I click on it and click on save, this should now go ahead and make my language Hindi. Now if it doesn't work, there we go, it did. You can just go ahead and refresh the website, and after you do that, in case you have some audio generated already, you'll just have to regenerate that audio, and it should now be in Hindi language. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.